Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coinbase Wallet and backup seed phrase step by step clearly. To begin, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Search for Coinbase Wallet in the search bar. Locate the official Coinbase Wallet app and tap on Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, tap on the Open button to launch the app. When the app opens, select Create a new wallet. Review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to create a secure password for your wallet. Enter your password in the designated field and confirm it. Now, tap on Continue to move to the next step. The app will generate a unique seed phrase for your wallet. Make sure to write down the seed phrase on paper. Store this paper in a secure location, as it is essential for recovering your wallet. After recording your seed phrase, tap Continue in the app. You will then be asked to confirm your seed phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Choose each word carefully to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, you will gain access to your Coinbase wallet. Explore the app and familiarize yourself with its features. Consider setting up additional security measures, such as biometric authentication. Your Coinbase wallet is now ready for use, and you have successfully backed up your seed phrase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.